This is one of the most important question of this lesson. Why CO is a strong ligand? Okay, first I will give you a detailed answer, then a statement answer. There are two reasons which make CO group a strong ligand. Reason number one, see, CO is a good electron donor. CO has CO has a lone pair of electron on the carbon atom, which it donate to the metal ion. Definitely what happened? It will create a strong sigma bond between CO group and the metal ion, right? That is similar to all other ligand metal ion relation, correct? But in addition to that, CO is establishing one more bond with the metal ion due to back bonding. CO has empty orbitals which can accept electrons from the metal ion. So what will happen? Metal ion will donate its electrons to the CO group, which will create a second bond between metal and CO group. Hope you understand. These two effects, donation and back donation, together make the bond between CO and the metal very stable. Okay, that is why CO group is considered as a strong ligand. Hope you understand. This is your statement answer. See, there are two reasons basically. Sigma bonding, first one, electron donation of CO. In CO, the carbon atom has a lone pair of electrons. This pair is donated to the central metal atom through sigma bond. Now second is pi back bond. CO also has empty pi star orbitals that can accept electrons from the metal's d orbitals. This is called pi back bonding. It strengthens the bond further by creating a double interaction between the metal and the CO ligand. Third one is synergic effect. That is the combination of sigma donation and pi back bonding, called a synergic effect, make the bond between the metal and CO very strong, stabilizing the complex.